Good morning. Got some breakfast.
Mom.
Kenzie, I can't see you.
Hey, Mommy.
Are you eating your cinnamon roll? Oh my gosh, it's like smeared all over her face. Is that yummy? Let me see.
Are they good?
Is that good?
They look pretty good.
I'm just going like that.
Oh, good job. 5. 6, so go 6.
Why am I always going back?
Can you count 6?
Come on. 6.
Count to 6. I don't know how you guys trash this game room so fast.
I'm just busy all the time.
You're just busy all the time?
Here. Well, I kept saying I want to stop playing games, but this
Oh,
kept shutting the games out and
she's telling on you. She's telling on you.
No, I seriously wanted to stop. We thought of some games. I thought of like 2.
Doing a clean with me kid edition.
You also
The kids are gonna clean.
Never. You also decided to play Hi Ho Cherry.
Are you gonna clean?
Yeah.
Or are you playing?
And Hi Ho Cherry. Yeah, more than that.
What are you doing?
Okay, I feel like
Nate is on game duty with all the kids. So I'm sneaking to see how they're doing.
Okay. Here's this.
Okay, I'm like shocked. I was doing my makeup. Nate was in the room cleaning up with the kids. They all got it cleaned up in like 15 minutes. I thought it was gonna take forever. Look at this. It was a disaster a minute ago. They did such a good job. Now we have to keep it this way. Just taking a stroll with your dogs on the ice. Aren't these so cute? I bought these at Target and they're snow markers. You just mix the packet with water and they can go right on the snow. So we're gonna mix all those up. We got a little snowman maker.
That thing looks cool.
I know, isn't that neat?
We can make a pink snowman.
Yeah.
Yeah, like color the snow. Yeah, we'll color the snow. I got a pink so
No, no. Kensington, do you want to come in and warm up? She seems really cold. You want to come warm up?
Got snow all over her face.
Come here. Oh
She
no.
did it to herself.
Come here. Ooh, careful. Stand right here. Let me get tissue. All right. I changed your hat and stuff. She's bundled up again.
Watch out.
She back.
Look at this. Okay. Aubrey, help me.
It is so cold out.
Aubrey.
Doing a little Starbucks run and grocery shopping. Heck yeah. We have to get the Starbucks. Even though it's like 30 minutes away. We had to track down Starbucks. Oh yeah, whichever. Grab. Nate, what's usually best for hamburgers?
Kids will like singles, you know.
Yeah,
I'm fine with that.
I know.
let's do that. What do you have? What do you have? A cake pop?
Hey.
I've never been grocery shopping with this large of a crew. We got the whole crew. I've never been grocery shopping with this large of a crew before. We got the whole crew. The boys are getting ready to fire up the grill, make some hamburgers and hot dogs. The kids are being crazy. Smells like meat in here.
Smells like meatballs.
Smells like meat. Hubby's out here grilling for us. Can you see anything out there? It's like pitch black. We just got done eating and we're making some s'mores.
They're outside right now.
They're what? Where'd you go? I can't find you. They're outside. They're grilling the s'mores.
And watching.
Watson's upstairs. He can play with this toy.
I think
How's your s'more?
Go away.
How is it? Is it good?
Yeah, just licking the chocolate.
You're just licking the chocolate?
Over here.
Good morning. Today is our last day in the mountains. Chelsea and her family have to go back home. I'm so sad. We've had so much fun. We got up early and we're just getting all packed up so we can just not rush and make some breakfast. And then I think we're all gonna head out and meet like in Denver or on the way for them to head to the airport and just grab like a quick lunch or something. But the trip went so fast. I feel like trips always go so fast, but we've been here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so 4 days, which it's been a great amount of time. But we're already trying to plan our next trip so our families can get together. So I'm really excited for that, and I think we're gonna go somewhere nice and warm next time.
No, I got fun life.
These views in the summertime would probably be absolutely amazing.
I can see. Dude, I can't see.
Where'd you
See
go?
your face.
Are you gonna hide it? Here, hide it over here. Let me help you.
Your shirt is pink.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Hide it in there. Hide it in there. There. They won't be able to find it in there. Okay, go.
Ready? Hot.
Cold, cold, hot, hot. Are they hot or cold? Cold, cold, hot, hot.
Hot. Hot means cold.
They're warm. They're warm. 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 Hot. Hot. No. Hot, you're steaming. You won.
I can tell who is hot.
What are you drinking? To chocolate milk? You got chocolate milk mustache.
I'm playing with the Rubik's Cube. He does it too.
You know. For sure.
Bye, Kevin.
No. It'll be much work.
Text me with where we should.
Ready? Okay.
Mom, look how slippery that
You guys are gonna stop in Winter Park though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to shut this or keep it open?
Okay.
Ready? Let's go. Want some lunch? Or hamburger?
Yeah.
He is so cute. Just bobbing his head to everything. Are you gonna do PB&J pizza?
You want to try that?
Yep. We just got home, and here's where I will be spending most of my time. In the laundry room. Because when you get back from vacation, there's a ton of laundry and cleaning to do. Yep. There's stuff everywhere already. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so tired. We've been going like non-stop for the past 4 days, and I just don't want a ton of clutter, especially with it being the end of the year. I want to start the new year with everything like clean and clutter-free. So immediately when we got home, I started dumping out all the laundry out of the suitcases, putting things away. I have a little laundry going in right now, so I'm starting to feel very accomplished, but I am so tired. But we had the best time. I'm so glad that Chelsea and her family came to visit, and the kids had so much fun. Watson and Kensington were just so cute together, just running around chasing each other, and Preston and Aubrey were like attached to the hip, constantly playing games and hanging out. It was just the best time. I had so much fun, and we're already starting to talk about our next family vacay. which is gonna be crazy because there's gonna be 2 more little girls joining us. I am going to end this vlog here. I hope you all loved it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know the next time I post a video. See you next time. Bye.